everyone, it's Robin, and I would like to welcome you to Puppet Poetry Pause, where we all just take a moment and listen to a poem. Today's poem is called Little Bird. Little bird, high up in the tree. Little bird, oh, I wish I could see. Little bird, I know that you're there. Little bird, because your song I can hear. Little bird, I found you. Little bird, because you left the tree and flew. I hope you enjoyed today's poem. I hope you come back for another Puppet Poetry Pause.